So thank you people. If you're joining for the first time, please do subscribe. This is what I do every evening, Kenyan time. I do African dishes, East African. I really concentrate on East Africa because those are foods that I'm a bit familiar with. And we normally have one common food, that is ugali. It's only the sauce that differs, but that is our commonest food that we do in East Africa. So I also do a bit of Swahili. Okay, not a bit. That is my home ground. So with Swahili food, I'm also very comfortable. So I do a lot of Swahili foods. It is kaimati, mitai, viazi karai, mahamri, mbaazi za nazi. Like done. Thank you so